Okay, I'm working on a 2007 E91. I've just swapped in these sport seats, but the lumbar and bolster adjustments are not working. This is a pretty common problem. It just has to do with one of the pins on the connectors not being present, so you're not getting power to those two accessories. So what I'm going to do is go in there and just use one of these to jump the power from one pin to the other. Okay, so I'm just going to start by disconnecting the clip. See if I can do that barehanded. Yeah, there we go. You pull on that and it just launches that out of there. And then this, you can kind of break that free from the bracket. And now what we're going to do is open these up. You're just going to pull on these tabs and pull out these little accessory plugs. And that'll allow us to jump the wires that we need to. Okay, so I was able to get that splice connector on there. On my passenger side, it was the red and black wire, which was smaller, and then the red and purple wire that was a little bit bigger. On this side, it was red and gold instead of purple. But anyhow, I'm hoping that's going to be the right one. So we'll just throw this guy back together. Reattach it to the bracket. And moment of truth here. Yes, we have power. All right, so that's how it's done. Big thanks to everybody on the forums that provided the wiring diagrams for that, and enjoy.